Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this 4G cellular trail camera to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Here's a user manual. Solar panel, strap, USB to USB-C cable for charging, mounting bracket, additional mounting bracket, once for the camera and once for the solar panel. Then we have the trail camera. Looks pretty good. Antenna. Here's the camera. Here's the motion sensors. Speaker. Here's where the SIM card can go in. On-off button. And you do have a two-way talk on it as well. On the bottom you have the port for charging. Okay, the blue lights are related to the Bluetooth connection with your phone. Here's a TF slot, on and off switch, and then you have the reset button. On the bottom you have the port for the USB-C for charging. You have the speaker, and on the back you have the slots here that you can thread the straps through the slots and then around a tree perhaps, or you can mount using the brackets here. You have the taller mounting bracket and the smaller one. The tall one is for mounting the solar panel, and the smaller one is for mounting the camera. To use the solar panel, you would thread the bracket to the back of the solar panel, tighten down on it, and then once this is mounted to like a tree or so forth, you can loosen or tighten. Then the USB-C will just connect to the bottom here. I think the best location is this birdhouse here. It's surrounded by the woods. You have a small dry creek there. Okay, it's not a tree, but this pole here holding the bluebird house, I think, is the best location for mounting this trail camera. So let's get it turned on, see how it works, and leave it overnight and see if it picks up anything. This 4G cellular trail camera works very well. I mounted it in 3 miles from me, and I was able to see the camera very easily and very clearly 3 miles away using my cell phone. It does come with a solar panel as well. So I recommend this 4G cellular trail camera.